Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating a massive win on Doge. As you can see from our charts, we called for a bullish breakout from that falling wedge pattern, and it played out perfectly. We have officially booked 100% gains from our call yesterday. This is the kind of precision we strive for. Once we secured our profits, I moved them into AVAX and OP, which are showing a lot of strength and have great long-term potential. This is a key trading strategy, taking profits from a winning position and reallocating them into other promising setups. Now I have to ask you, why aren't you joining my groups? You're missing out on these calls. And again, there's absolutely no need to pay. It's 100% free. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out!